Hey guys, this is Kevin over at JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the review now. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. The reference number for this model is 178274. We'll be going with the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So for the dial, we have the dial we have here is the pink dial. As you can see, beautiful pink dial with Roman numerals. Follows the simple Datejust structure, which is the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock positions. The hour markers fashioned 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. And the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. Specifically for this Datejust, you can have it in numerous different configurations, as the Datejust is a dressier watch. So if you're not interested in the pink dial but you love the Roman numerals, then you can also get it in a blue, purple, brown, and black colored dials. The purple and brown being the special colors for the Roman numeral version. For the index hour marker version, if you're not interested in this and you're looking for more, you're looking for the stick markers, then you can get that in a silver, blue, black, white, and pink dial as well. And of course, if you're feeling a little more luxurious, you can skip out on both the Roman and index and get diamond hour markers with a mother of pearl dial, and that's of course going to have a higher retail pricing. We'll have all that information linked in the description below if you want to check that out. But for now, we're going to go ahead and move on to the bezel now. For the bezel, we have a beautiful white gold fluted bezel. This whole bezel is made out of white gold, and fluted meaning it has this little machine etched bezel. As you can see, it grabs light in different portions of the dial, and actually when out in the sun, you'll actually see a very beautiful dancing of light when the sunlight hits this bezel. So very beautiful bezel. And as we move on to the case now, the case actually matches with the bezel in terms of high polish. You can see the nice high polish on the lugs of the case, top and bottom, that match with that fluted bezel, bringing a nicer shine to the face of the watch, and really making it an eye catcher. The size of the case is a 31mm case size, so from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter, as the name states, Rolex Datejust 31. The case itself doesn't sit too high on the wrist, will fit in our suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely, and has a nice high polish that matches with the side of the bracelet. The case itself is made out of 904L. The case and the bracelet is made out of 904L steel, which is an in-house made steel by Rolex, which has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it, as we see on the other side of the case. Nice high polish as well with the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown functions, the crown is a simple screw down twin lock double waterproofing system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position, you can wind the watch 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Tugging the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown. By going counterclockwise, you'll see how easy it is just to be able to change the date. Pulling the crown out to the next position will stop that second hand, so I'll show you once more. See the second hand moving, pull it out to the final position. Stops it for precise time settings, such as tuning a time clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds for precise time setting, and of course you can set the time bi-directionally however you like. Pressing the crown back in will start that hand once more. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance for the water resistance of 100 meters to 330 feet. Next, we'll be moving on to the bracelet, which is the Jubilee style bracelet. Beautiful 5-piece link bracelet with the center of the 3-piece links being nicely high polished to match with the lugs of the case. The high polish contrasts with the satin finish of the outer of the 5-piece links to bring in to make that contrasting shine on the high polish just stand out a bit more. As you can see, it patterns throughout the whole bracelet very nicely, very beautifully, and it's only interrupted by the Rolex crown logo here. This is actually called the concealed folding crown clasp. As we move on to the clasp now, just simply pull it, tongue on that. We'll open up the clasp, revealing this nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. And that's how the bracelet looks opened up and closed. See a nice curvature on the clasp blade itself, so it has a nice feel on the wrist when put on. And we'll move on to the movement now, which is housed in this oyster case backing. Very simple. The movement itself is an in-house made movement by Rolex. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's the caliber 2235 movement, which has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs. It has the functions of the center hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and also stopping in seconds hand, as well as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch is 48 hours, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and you'll be keeping time just fine. Now, let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist as I open up this bracelet now. One thing to keep in mind, I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can see so nice little bit of room there, and there's the watch. As you can see, very beautiful Roman numerals, landmarking, making it very easy to read. That fluted bezel is just absolutely grabbing light in different portions and working together with the high polish on the lugs of the case. That Jubilee bracelet pattern throughout the whole watch, just nice flow, continuous pattern, just looks absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.